Welcome to Get Out Go. I'm Christoph and this is my campsite review of Molope Camp in Blouberg Nature Reserve. Blouberg Nature Reserve is situated in Northern Limpopo, around 5 hours drive from Johannesburg. The closest town where you can get provisions is Alldays. This little known 9,300 hectare reserve ranges from mountainous terrain to bushveld, with a rich diversity of plant and animal life. Unique features include the tamboti woodland, fig forest, baobabs and the Brak River floodplain. The Molope Bush Camp consists of 6 private unfenced camping sites between 20 and 40 meters apart from each other. Campsite 1 is some distance away from the others and is fairly open. It has one large tree in the middle of the site. It will comfortably fit 2 off-road caravans, trailers or tents, maximum 6 people per site. Campsite 2 is smaller and has all day shade. It will accommodate 2 trailers or tents, but 2 caravans will be a tight fit. Most of the campsites have some sunspots for your solar panels, but you'll have to move them around. Molope Camp doesn't have any electricity. Campsite 3 is a more private site but furthest away from the Ablutions. It will also fit 2 trailers or tents. Campsite 4 is a large site. It will accommodate 3 trailers or tents. All sites have a bin and large fire pit. Water is available at the Ablutions. Campsite 5 is right next to the Ablutions and will also fit 2 trailers or tents. Note that this campsite can become waterlogged after heavy rain. Campsite 6 is one of my favorites. It's fairly large, private and with a central tree for shade. The Ablutions are fairly basic and feature 2 flushing toilets and showers, 1 open air. Lights are solar powered, so switch off when you're done. The Ablutions were recently revamped at the time of this video. Hot water is provided with a donkey, a fire water heater. This one works really well. There is also a scullery with water. The reserve is well suited for self-drive game viewing. It has some great hides and water holes. Be sure to visit the sunken hide at Buffelspan. Animals on the reserve include leopard, cheetah, hyena, buffalo and many different species of antelope. Another great attraction is the lookout point. You do need a 4x4 with low range to reach this though, but the track isn't very technical. Tar roads around the area are quite bad. Watch out for some deep potholes. There are also some very scenic gravel roads that you can explore though. Whether you're visiting Blouberg on your way to the Tuli block, Mapangupwe or as a holiday destination, I highly recommend it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, get out there.